Nancy with the care plan and Odontic Care, catheter management. You know, sometimes our patients live a long time, and it is wonderful for us to build our rapport and get trust and really find out and enjoy them. And oftentimes, our patients are not yet ready, or they don't need to have an indwelling catheter, which does put them at risk for infection. And if we're able to, especially for, this would be for a man, we use what's called a condom catheter. Condoms, of course, everybody knows what they are. This one, there are several types. I'm going to put it in the darkness. You can see that it has a tip right here. This is where we would attach the bag once it was on the penis. You basically put this on just as you would a condom on a penis. You take off this, and you can see that it looks like a little collar, and that's so that it goes on the penis, and then we roll it up the penis, and it's very sticky. I can't do this right now because I don't have a penis inside of it, and generally it's really sticky and it's stuck upon itself. But once it's on the penis and nice and secure, you attach it to a drainage bag, and then the patient can wear this all day or at nighttime too with one of the drainage bags, so that they don't have to have an indwelling catheter. It can stay on until it becomes, it starts to leak, or at least, a couple times a week, one must take it off to cleanse and check the penis skin to make sure that it's healthy. There are lots of ways to manage bladder and urine output, and we want you to know all the options. You, as the patient, may say to your team, I'm ready for an indwelling catheter. This is not working anymore. Patients lose a lot of weight, and oftentimes they become very weak. The penis becomes flaccid, and then it's very difficult to get a seal. So your team and you and your family and your caregivers will decide what's the best option for you. Please know that we're always looking for the best comfort and safety for our patients, so please keep that in mind at all times. Visit our website for all of the videos on how to manage bladder and urine. Thank you.